So I'm going to try and remove the rear speaker grill. I'm using a small screwdriver, and I'm just going to make sure I get it well truly underneath there, and then I'm just sliding it around until I hear the clips clip off. Sounded a bit drastic, but hopefully it hasn't snapped anything. There we go. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3. I've lost one clip. The other one's got all 4 on, so I've lost one somewhere. Hopefully that'll be in the boot. And then, as you can see from the speakers, these are the little bits of rubber that have perished and that I'm finding in the boot of the car every so often. It's not hardly surprising, because these speakers are basically paper and are basically brittle and perished from the weather. This one's even worse. As you can see, it's completely knackered. So I'm going to try and get these out and see if I can replace them. And the good news is that I found the clip that I lost in the boot. So it should just be a case of, I guess, just pushing that back on. Which way around does it go? Let's have a look. Okay. So I think it goes. Actually, it kind of, it's a bit weird. It's, oh, I see. Yeah. Okay. So it goes on that way. Not easy to film, but basically you push it on like that, and then it provides some spring-loaded mechanism to hold that in place once that's back on. So 2 grills ready to go. Let's see if we can get the speakers out. So the first problem I have is that this is the smallest Phillips screwdriver I have. I might just about get that one out, but there is no way on God's earth that I'm going to be able to do that one. So I need a tool that is a screwdriver at a right angle, and I don't have one of those. So let me see what I can find. So another thing I realized is that there are 2 sets of screws. So this was the one I was trying to unscrew, and where my screwdriver would not clear because of the windscreen angle. But actually these ones are slightly lower, and therefore have been able to unscrew all 4, and the whole thing, and ignore that because that's broken, but the whole thing should, I'm hoping, lift out, hey presto, like that. Simple little wiring clip underneath. I should be able to drop the new speaker in quite easily, I hope. Let's see. So, the speaker is out. You can see the damage that age and sun have done. It's completely shot to pieces. To be fair, the paper cone is in reasonably good condition still. Or is it? No, I've just put my finger through it. It's actually very brittle. So they're going in the bin. And what I'm left with is a hole and a connector here. So I almost guarantee I'm not going to get something that fits that. So I'm probably going to have to snip these 2 wires and solder on some connectors, but it's not too much of a job. So yeah, I think we're in business. Just need to take the other one out.